Hey. Cool. All right. All right. So, got my pre-market plan ready to rock. Basically, just gonna be looking for really looking for a pullback on Nasdaq. Yeah, looking for a pullback on Nasdaq before entering long. Basically, finding this imbalance here, which used to be prior resistance. So I'll be looking for price if it does. I mean, this is just a moonshot. But first level of interest, I'll be looking here. I mean, there are some imbalances here, prior resistance too. So, might have to change my plan a little bit. Take a long off prior resistance, small imbalance. But really, what I'm looking for, really big pullback down here. You got a 1 hour and 4 hour point of control. You got this large imbalance here. You get a nice fair value gap here. We'll see. It's a waiting game at this point. I'm not taking a long at the highs. Be a terrible idea. Let's look at MGC. Kind of a weird open. Gold hasn't really been moving the way it was in October, November, December. I mean, it's still moving, giving you good, decent moves at night at least. But I mean, if you don't catch that short, you ain't getting nothing. Well, you get long there. Let's get some music. Hold up. How do I? Oh, that's right. MGC's looking to rock it up now. MES doing the same. Okay. Ain't nothing. Hasn't even been 15 minutes though. We got probably somewhat making. There's no pullback now. This here so y'all can see. I have a bad habit of constantly moving my screen. Okay, there we go. I'm not touching it. Let's see if this music's any good. Cool. It says no copyright, but we'll find out. Let's see. Ooh. This is probably terrible music, but whatever. I really wish she could just play music without getting copyrighted. It's kind of dumb. This is probably terrible music, but whatever. I really wish she could just play music without getting copyrighted. It's kind of dumb. Bro, this music's terrible. uh, let's check. So I did some. Ooh. Check. Alright. Iran hits UAE infrastructure. Not good. Oil jumps 4%. Oh man. I need to log into. Hold on. Sick. Alright, alright. Man, this thing is just rocketing. Gave us a good retest here of prior resistance. After that, it was gone. Gone. That really sucks. Um, hmm. Could. The problem is, it's like everything's just up. Let's see. Maybe gold will be a good spot here, possibly. Sometimes you'll see it come right above this liquidity. Watch, this should get swept. Um, let's add an alert just in case. I do think this would be a better option to get the 4-hour VPOC there. Looks like these are defending. NQ just on a rocket. I created my pre-market plan with 0 caffeine. Random fact. That bassline's pretty sick. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Man, yesterday, so I posted this on my Instagram. Dude, so on Top Step, you have to have your dome linked in with your chart. Watch, check this out. Check out my dome. Oh, shit. This is insane. Oh, well, it's linked now. That's great. Okay, well, I didn't have it linked. Like, apparently you're supposed to link these things, and I didn't. So I put into M and Q. I don't want to do it because it. Yeah. All right. First, all right. Let's just try. So I put in M and Q. I wanted to trade M and Q, but my dome was set to MGC. You get my drift here? So this was not MGC and this was MQ. I entered 10 MGC and I kid you not, I lasted like 3 seconds and I was gone. And I just activated that account. It was unreal. So I posted on my Instagram about it. It's pretty funny. You can't see it because this camera sucks. Oh, we got, I might try to take this on, one of my, don't look at that. Let's see. Ooh, cleared that. Let's try it. I'm gonna try to build a position here in gold. 1-1 right now. If it comes down and clears this, I'll buy 2 more. Or I might just get wrecked. Get wrecked. Now, I entered with 0 confirmation on that one. Let's see. Just for the stream, why not? Honestly, I see it coming down here, to be honest. This would be a good area. That's the 1 minute though. Yeah, it's got a lot of imbalance down here. I might just take it. Okay. Yeah, that was a stupid entry. Okay, well, it cleared that. Let's see if this 4-hour VPOC can hold. That's pretty good sell pressure, to be honest with you. Geez, sorry. Entered way too early. I entered on absolute nothing. That was pretty stupid. Could have got an entry down here. Would have been a great risk to reward. Just acted terribly. Yeah, see, it could have been a lot better. That's right. Yeah. That was dumb. Alright, so I'm going to watch it clear this and see if we get any buyers to step in. Well, that's how you get out of break even. Holy shit. Those buyers right there just kicked in and said, hell nah. Whew. That was a stupid first entry, but yeah, made it back up. Shouldn't have moved this up. Fuck it. That was stupid, man. That could have been a great trade. I don't know what I was doing the first entry. I just love to. What did I say? I should have moved my stop down, man. I knew that was a terrible placement for the stop. Dumb. I wanted to buy in there. Whatever. My bad. That is how you make your money back in 2 seconds, boys. That was fucking dumb. Why do I do this to myself? See, I do this. I start off the day with great intentions, and I fuck it all up because I get too nervous to miss the move. Dumb. Could have been a great trade. Could have been. could have been a great trade, but I messed it up because the first trade was stupid. Live on YouTube. Come watch me play stupid entries. Yeah. Whatever. Alright, that was, I mean, dude, I bottom ticked the crap out of that. Nice 10-point move, I don't care. I'm moving this so you can't see my account info, but I'll tell you what I just made. Yeah. Whatever. Oh, I forgot I have a Apex account too. I gotta trade. Too many accounts, not enough fingers. What the hell is going on? What the hell is even going on here? Oh, look at gold. Dumb. Why? What the hell happened to my chart? Oh, there it is. Okay, one sec. Oh my god. Okay. That was $120 move, so I'm down $30. So, whatever. You know? What are you gonna do? Just ruin your good trades over terrible entries and then just watch it move up to your target. It's great. Alright, we're sitting break even. Oh, let's see what MNK's doing. There we go. Oh, it's the 1 minute chart. That ain't nothing. Oh, that was stupid. Oh my god. I feel like the entries though that I enter without thinking, just like the entries that I don't think and just do, I mess up. But good example of delta imbalance. I mean, these buyers right here just completely defended. Had a nice sweep of this delta here. These buyers right here locked in. I really thought this would be cleared first, but it's these people here. Alrighty. Could have been a good trade, but whatever. I should have known better too. That was, I think the 0.5. I think I had that marked earlier too. Yeah, 0.618. The golden level. This music's okay. I mean, I've heard worse royalty-free shit. I kind of want to run that trade back, dude. That was like, it's pretty spot on. I'm not gonna lie. I just hate that it was taken away by one stupid stop out that probably should have been moved. Oh well. It is what it is, man. It is what it is, man. You know what time it is? Oof. All in, mother. All in. JK. Oh yeah. I don't want to do that again. What the hell? You think we can make it? Let's do it. Let's try it. Technically, I didn't lose everything if I do lose because I still got $10. Ooh. Oh, shit. Oh, God. Moment of truth. Oh. That was a crazy hit, though. I'm not gonna lie. That was pretty crazy. All right, 11,000. Ooh. Oh. Oh. 2 pushes. Oh. That's crazy. Oh, we're doing this. We're doing this. Fuck it. Oh, God. Hit. Oh, God. Terrible. Alright, M&Q, we got it. Finally having a red candle. Black candle's red, white is green. So, I'll be looking for price to retest 24,900 area. I do think this might be too much of a pullback. Now, could see it actually sweep down, but if it does, I'd probably just long up to here. Just seems like a large pullback. So we'll see. Alright, well. Top Step's looking good though. We had a long night last night. Ran up the numbers. $842, so 1,200-ish. This music's crazy. This music's crazy. This is exactly what I listen to when I work out. Alrighty. Well, this sucks. It's one of those just freight train days, unless this is a retest. Go down. So, what the heck? So I just texted somebody. They definitely have me confused for somebody else. What the? She said, Seen you at the wedding and your new puppy. I love it. I don't have a puppy. That's funny. Well, this just is terrible, terrible stuff. Took a great trade for break even because the trade before got stopped because I traded like an idiot with zero entry confirmation. Let's see what gold's doing. Nope, nothing. Yeah. That's awesome. That would be perfect. What would the price be? And how? Oh man, this sucks. Yeah. Ah man, I mean, it was only a quick scalp. It's whatever. I'll be right back. That's awesome. All right, so we're starting to get a little bit of a pullback here. Here we go. All right, now we're getting some sell action. Let's double check to make sure nothing crazy's happening to the news. White House received offer from DHS funding. Pending home sales. That's what it was. Okay. Pending home sales. Pending home sales. Ah. Alrighty. Well, let's see. Yeah, that 0.5 area would be great. Honestly, right up VWAP. A nice little imbalance. See the seller stuck in there a little bit. I mean, ideally, when I was making this pre-market plan, this was the area that I was really looking for a pullback to long. I think it's just too far down. I don't know if we'll get there. We'll see. Ad. Delete it. Delete it now. Duh. Okay. All right. Let me just. I'm still. See, the problem with alerts, I have this habit of when I set alerts, instead of analyzing the market, I just enter. Whenever my alert goes off, it's just like a habit of instead of just calming it down, I feel like that alert ringing is like FOMO. It's stupid. Because I just feel like it wasn't that bad of a trade. I just entered too early. So I entered, what was it? Uh, show executions, execution marks, execution labels. Okay. I don't understand why it's telling me that. Oh, here we go. Yeah. So I shorted. No, I longed at. What the heck? I longed at. Oh, what is going on? This is my original long though. I bought at 5025. Okay. Yeah, way too early. I mean, small time frame. It looks like it could have been decent, but you had the VWAP here, hoping to find support. I was looking for this liquidity to sweep, and it just swept too far. But I should have known that this was going to be swept. I should have known that. I should have been better at my entry. Um, so yeah, entered at 5025. Got stopped at 510, and then quickly entered at 513. Exit at 517. I mean, average. You know, it's about a 10-point move, but average 5, whatever. I don't care. I still made my money back. But it's just like that. Those little moments, those little actions just keep me slacking, man. I'm telling you. It's crazy. Like those things too, man. They at the end of the year, days like that, they add up. You know, that could have been a $150 win. You know, if I don't find any trades, it's $100 plus dollars. Now I'm red 30, but I made up majority of the money. I don't care, whatever. Lesson of the story is be patient. Be patient. Be patient. Okay. Okay. So we got some sell pressure a little bit. Um, this is the well, it needs to be updated actually. So pre-market high. This thing just rocket launched. So we're breaking pre-market high. It's not finding support. So what I'll be looking at now is price to retest this prior resistance area. What I mean that's prior resistance here, and had a little bit here, but This song is killing me. Jeez. Yeah, I'm bouncing off that 9 EMA. So I don't have any. The chart might look a little confusing, but it's simple. You get the periodic volume profile, EMA 9, VWAP, and then I got the PVP 4 hour. So every 4 hours it generates a new volume profile. And then on the 1 hour, I have the volume profile actually turned off and only have the hour POC showing. And what I do there is I use it to see if price has touched that point of control or not. Basically just shows where majority of the trades were taking place in that area, which you can see pretty nice move off of that. Just like what I traded earlier. Quick bounce in and out. But well, that didn't last very long, did it? Sell pressure was nothing. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna lock this one out. Locking out my top step. I have one account that I have not traded. I also have a Apex account, but I don't know if I see anything right now. I think what I might try, honestly, I'm gonna set an alert. We have this imbalance that price almost took out, and I really think this is gonna be a good area. That seems like a decent area to long. I might try it on this cash account as well. The only thing is if we break here, I think I see these on the 15. There's this liquidity here that needs to be swept. If you can see that, he's trapped sellers. And then if that breaks, I'll be looking at this to be swept. And if that breaks, yeah, that's kind of what I'm looking at right now. I think that's a good plan. I do like this area if I do get I don't even know how much margin that used. I gotta be careful of that. Last thing I need is get margin called on live for 2 viewers. That'd be funny. Valid crash out. why my microphone picks up like that. It's kind of stupid. Alright, still just looking for a price to hit. Quit with the ads. Oh, there we go. Alright, so we're getting some sell pressure on the 3 minute. Alright, so I'm not going to enter too soon this time. I'm going to wait until this imbalance here gets cleared out. As much as I want to, I'm not going to. That would be fun. Alright. Lock in, lock in, lock in. So we just had buyers attempt to reclaim above this 90 MA, got shut down. Now we see sellers really taking control here, clearing out this liquidity that was not grabbed. No, that was grabbed before. I really think this area is going to be swept. I'm going to be very cautious on entering too soon. Dude, this music is terrible. Holy crap. Alright, so this guy right here just absolutely got freaking protected, huh? Let's see. Okay. Should see 5 minute. Yeah, we got buyers buying in here at the 0.618. That could have been. Here's another thing I struggle with is patience. You know, my edge is telling me, hang on. Don't do anything stupid. Well, oy.
Order filled.
I did it again, bro.
Order filled.
Made 40 bucks, but the damn thing wasn't locked. And I just did that earlier in the stream to show y'all, and I freaking make that mistake. I made 40 bucks, but see what I mean? Trading MN Cube, and I'm on MGC. Stupid. I did it again. Did it again, mother. Oh, this is so stupid. I hate doing this crap. This is so annoying. I feel like they do that to get traders. That's hilarious, though, to be honest with you. I can't believe I did that on stream. Literally, just talked about it earlier. What do you think? What do you think I should do here? She from LA, Nashville, downtown. A freaking downtown hostel? Didn't know they had that there. Ah, 30 minutes, not bad. Holy. Alright, so is it really kicking in? I really think this area is going to get cleared out, and then that's probably when how long.
Order filled.
Did I do that? I don't know, did I? Yeah, just really looking for this to be cleared out. Or it just doesn't, and Roxy launches here. Buyers defending this trend line. No ads. I'm trying to lock in, bro. I can't lock in with a Nissan commercial, bro. Get your Nissan commercial out of here. Alright. I mean, what? I drew a line on the chart. Ugh. Yeah. Alright, it's reaching that up level. There we go. Alright. I'm in.
Order filled.
I'm in. I'm just gonna go to that. Hear me out. I'm not gonna keep that stop there. I just wanna hang tight here for a minute. Okay, up 80, up 90, up 100. Okay, I'm gonna take one off here, and then I'm just gonna let this one ride. Top step, I'm up.
Order filled.
Let's go. Come on. Alright, I'm moving my stop. Break even. Moving this up. Come on. I don't want to break even, bro. But hey.
Order filled.
Okay, I'm out my entire position on top step except one. So I'm gonna wait. Target will be that 90 MA. Yeah. Alright, I'm just gonna take profit on top step, and then kind of let this one ride out, see what happens. I'll put my, just cover the fees. Great analysis. It didn't clear it up all the way, but I mean, I'll take it. I will take it. I think I might actually move this down just a little bit. Trading view, man, their fills are pretty stupid. Like it'll be like right here, and it'll fill me. Yeah, we'll see if we can get this. There's some liquidity stuck down here. I'm gonna put my target right here. Get that out the way. If buyers, I'm gonna just break even. Why not? If buyers are true, they're gonna clear up this liquidity. All right, come on. Alright, well, hey, you know what? This is probably going to be my trade of the day. I don't know. Maybe, maybe not. We'll see. Unless we get a retest of this 9 EMA and then fully clear it. But that was a pretty good analysis, I'm not going to lie. I'm pretty proud of that. I have a daily goal on my cash account of $400 to $500, and with the trade that I took earlier for the win, 150, 120, and then this one, 100-ish. Could have been half of my profit. So not a bad day. When we look at this naked chart here, actually that's not the naked chart. This one's the naked chart. There we go. It's just in this range. When I trade, I like to have 4 screens, and oh, look at that, dude. Come on, let's freaking go, dude. I'm gonna move my stop up here. That imbalance up there, these sellers are getting bing bam. They need to lock it. No, they don't need to lock in. Buyers absolutely rocked it. So all this liquidity here is just getting swept. Could see that at least. Yeah, got stopped. Alright, I'll take that. I am not red anymore. Not red no more. Move this so I can see. Overall, pretty damn good trade. Great analysis. I was patient. I am up $60. Shit, I shouldn't have showed that. $60. I was down 180 earlier. I keep having these damn break-even days, man. It's just stupid. Oh, stupid. But not bad on Top Step. 188 on my nice account, 476 on my second account, and 842 on my other account. I'll probably try to get another trade in on this one, but we'll see. I don't know. It just these break-even days are just killing me. I had plus 70 yesterday and then plus 50 today, but I'll tell you what, it is a huge difference from last year. Last year was just, it was either up a lot or down a lot. And the reason I was down was more emotionally based trading, but I will say, being break even or slightly green after a losing trade or losing day, it's a huge difference, and that really shows I'm on the right path. Because if I took a losing trade last year, my day was just ruined. I'd be pissed off, end of the world. just was not good, not healthy. But I'm able to climb back mentally, and yeah. So all thanks to this strategy I got going on here. But all right, so we got that 9 EMA retest, and got sellers coming back in. Uh, I thought I entered more. My initial position size was gonna be 3, but I didn't get the other one. But man, dude, what an entry! I mean, a little late, but with confirmation, man. Like you don't want to be, especially with this imbalance here. You don't want to be buying down there because you really don't know. Um, but I mean, on the 1 minute, you had this bullish, somewhat bullish candle, and then you just have it engulfing open, and it's just right at my entry right there. So look, I know it's not the glorious, beautiful trade, but did you do that 5 times in a day? I mean, I don't care what anybody says. I don't need that 10 to 1, whatever you guys on Instagram call it. I don't have to have that to be successful. Give me 4 of these a day. Give me 4 of those a day. I'm good. Give me 4 of those. And you can find them. Look. You can find them. Boom. I mean, they're everywhere. 10-point moves. That's all you need. Before all this volatility kicked in, man, MAS, I was just trading 5 points. That's all I needed. But I think people on Instagram, all they care about is looking cool. And they try to get this huge, massive win, and then you know what happens is exactly this right here. They'll have a good entry. They'll have a good 12-point move, but because it hasn't hit their target that they feel so entitled to, I see so many people complaining about, well, it didn't go to my target. Well, what was your target? 100 points up, but when you could have just taken this at probably $200, $300. Beautiful trade. Keeps your confidence up. You show up the next day with a W. The previous day, you're feeling good versus taking this trade, expecting it to move up here and getting stopped out for what? I don't know. Just my 2 cents. I do leave a lot of profit on the table, I will say that. Yap sesh. You know, my screen isn't that HD. That's not bad. My, well, I don't know what to do anymore. Uh, I said, no ads. I'm trying to lock in. Yeah. Da, 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 ba. All right, well, I think I'm gonna call it for the stream. It's not bad. I mean, two good trades, two small scalps. Uh, didn't hit my goal, but not red. It's been a lot of those days where it's just not a lot of those days. Last 3 weeks, 2 weeks have been amazing. I think I've been rushing the entries a little bit, but M&Q is just ripping. Um, just not finding a good entry. So, anyways, all right. I'm gonna call it. You got two good trades, delta imbalance. Yeah. Catch you on the next stream tomorrow. All right, I'll see you.